Want to program your Chevy key fob yourself and avoid a trip to the dealer? Here's how. For many pre-2025 Chevy models, it's straightforward. The key is syncing the fob's code with your car's computer. Make sure your vehicle battery is good and you have the correct fob for your car. You'll also need access to the driver's seat. You'll typically cycle the ignition, turning the key to the on position, but not starting the engine, then off, repeating this 8 to 10 times within 10 to 15 seconds. The car should then enter programming mode. Press the lock or unlock button on the fob to sync it. Remember, this works best for models without keyless ignition. Newer 2024 Plus Chevys might require using the infotainment system or the My Chevrolet app. If you hit issues, a common fix is disconnecting the car battery for 30 minutes to clear old codes. But be warned, incorrectly attempting to program the key can lead to system lockouts, so always consult the vehicle's manual. Sometimes DIY programming doesn't go as planned. First, if the car's memory is full, usually a max of 4 to 8 fobs, it won't work. Also, some 2023-2025 models have software glitches, which can prevent successful programming via the app. Newer Chevys post-2020 have rolling codes and encrypted pairing for security, which can complicate DIY attempts. If you have a newer model and the standard procedure doesn't work, consider checking for over-the-air updates from GM. If you're still struggling, it might be time to see a professional. While DIY is generally legal, incorrect programming can void your warranty or even brick your car's computer. Finally, be careful buying aftermarket fobs. They need to be compatible with your car's system to avoid security risks.